Hey, what's up everybody? It's Christian L here with eatlikeanapex.com. Today, me and my family, we're gonna go check out the city and head to a place called the Fisherman's Wharf. You know, I've been there many times, and every time I go, I always have a great time enjoying the scenery, the community there, especially the food. So stick around as we venture into the pier and specifically eat some good food. All right, and with that said, are you hungry? Because I sure am. So we are here at the Fisherman's Wharf, and kind of just walking around right now. We're gonna walk, kind of walk towards down the pier here, check out some spots. Kind of a windy day today, but it feels good. I'm loving it. It's terrific. Yeah, check that out. It's bread, and they turned it into an alligator.
Puppy!
Don't get pinched.
Nah, he can't pinch. Nah, he got the things on.
And I think this is a spot here, right here at the wharf, where they have a bunch of these stalls. And we're just gonna go ahead and try to figure out which one to actually get, because they all serve a variety of the same type of thing. Really good stuff. All right, so we're here. So I got some food from the seafood stalls vendor, and I picked up some shrimp here. Ooh, shrimp.
You have to get some footage of upstairs too. It's so nice.
Okay. I think it's pretty bad. And I also picked up a crab sandwich too.
You got pictures and everything, right?
Oh, she's feeding me some clam chowder. From the clam chowder bowl.
So good.
Crab sandwich. She wants some crab. Yeah. Oh, shrimp. She wants a piece of shrimp? Okay. There's your shrimp. Alright, so I'm gonna try the shrimp out first. And we'll put some on here. And these are the large shrimps. These could be tiger prawns. I believe these are tiger prawn shrimps here. And I'll dip it in the cocktail sauce. Here we go. Oh, yummy. Yummy is right. I immediately get that Fisherman's Wharf seafood feeling, not just because I'm here at the wharf, but because I believe the shrimp, the seafood here was probably fished right this morning. It's really fresh. I'll have another one. Want to try one? Oh.
Bread is a little hard.
Alright, I'm gonna give this crab sandwich a bite now. This crab sandwich is fully loaded, fully stocked of nice shredded crab.
And only $9?
Yeah.
Wow.
$9 for this right here. And it's really hefty. It's really, I always use the word hefty. It's really ginormous. I mean, it's brim full of crab. It's stocked full of crab. Like,
Can I bite too?
Yeah, go for it. Yeah.
Nice and soft.
Let's get right into it here. Enough time has been wasted.
Yeah.
All right. Oh man. Oh wow. That bread is not hard whatsoever. A little chewy, but you get that from the sourdough texture. And that crab, oh, that crab is like, how can you describe it?
Make me want to eat more.
They've done a great job in stuffing this sandwich full of crab. And you would think like maybe they've overwhelmed it with the mayonnaise or some of the dressing they put inside here, but you totally taste just pure crab flavor with a hint of some celery, maybe some onions, just a hint of it. But it's overwhelmingly crab featured.
I'm not a super crab person. That is good.
Oh man, wow. Oh, that's incredible. Yeah. And from what I saw inside there, it was probably some Dungeness crab meat they put inside of here. Just gotta go in for another bite here. Now this is what I came here for. This is featured seafood street food, made fresh. Oh, this is so filling. I mean, look at. I mean, I've maybe gotten a little bit. I got close to half, but it's just stocked brim full of crab. You have no idea. So we're in Boudin's real quick. Sean told me to check out the upstairs of Boudin's. That bread right there.
Oh yeah.
Can't touch it though. It's a pretty cool decoration. We had a good time here at Fisherman's Wharf. I'm gonna go ahead and close it off here. The food was excellent. I enjoyed the crab sandwich tremendously. The shrimp, you know, just the variety of the seafoods that they have here at the Fisherman's Wharf. If you're ever in San Francisco, Fisherman's Wharf is a go-to spot if you're ever in the city. And if you've never been, and it'll be your first time in the city, you need to stop by the Fisherman's Wharf, the pier, enjoy the food, enjoy the atmosphere, enjoy the beautiful weather, enjoy it with your family. And with that said, I'm gonna end it there. So make sure you like and subscribe to this video, give it a thumbs up. With that said, peace out. One love, late. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications for more updates on food vids. Okay, bye.
Thank you guys for watching our breakdance show. Ladies and gentlemen, if you guys are ready to see the grand finale, everybody say yeah! Yeah! Everybody, we don't want to do unless you want to see it. Y'all want to see it? Everybody say yeah! Yeah! Everybody, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go!
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and